behind me you can see Rabbit Island. It's a 210-acre island in West Cove of Calcasieu Lake in southwest Louisiana. This is an island that I've been fortunate enough to fish since I was young, and my parents actually lived on this lake until Hurricane Laura destroyed their home. So this is a project we were excited to do. This is one that hits close to home, literally and figuratively. We definitely took this one personal. It's great that CPRA and Wildlife and Fisheries chose this island because it's the only brown pelican rookery in southwest Louisiana. Weeks Marine and Royal Engineering came in and took the elevation of this and brought it up to approximately 3.5 foot elevation and kind of set the stage for our team to come in and vegetate this island, which was really no small feat. We had to take over 100,000 cuttings and grow them out to end up with the 67,000 plus plants that we put on this island. A little over 30,000 of that are 1 gallon containers, so it was a feat in and of itself just to grow those out.
We are so excited to have partnered with CPRA and Louisiana Wildlife and Fisheries to restore and revegetate this island. And it means the world to us to have a path of recovery and hope for the Louisiana outdoor industry.